which in a way is kind of a good thing because stuff's selling 10, 15, 20 items a day. So the more I list, the more I sell, the more opportunities I see, the busier I get. But I don't want to stop making content, so I'm gonna use this Snapchat to make my YouTube videos and show y'all the hustle. So stay tuned. We back. We still hustling, bigger and better than ever. You know, Team Cermak never stops. We getting it, baby. Y'all have a great day. Stay tuned. That was the Amazon shipment I dropped off at Mail and More. Amazon has been just clutch. Amazon is booming, and we're into October, and I thought it would already have fell off by now, but it's still rolling, so we're going to push Amazon as hard as we can. Right now, I got to get home and pack up some eBay items, and then head to the post office, so we hustling, baby, we hustling. Oh, on a pretty cool side note, to get my Amazon shipment out in time, I actually had my 14-year-old son help me label and process the whole shipment, so really sped up the process, and I'm really thankful he was able to help me and that my kids were able to be here with me, which is the whole point of quitting my job and going full-time reseller. But if I'm going to have my kids, I'm going to put them to work.
It's just FedEx prepaid.
Alright. Had to make that FedEx drop. By the time I got home, I sold another one that shipped FedEx, so I had to get back before the FedEx truck comes. I guess he's running a little bit late. Normally he's there at 2 o'clock, but I was glad to be able to get that gone. Now we got to get back and really get back on eBay and get those packed up into the post office. Just want to say I appreciate all the folks who thought I fell off the end of the earth or died or something because I wasn't putting out Snapchat videos or YouTube videos. Appreciate you checking on me. I appreciate all y'all who watch my stuff. I really just do it for me and for my kids to watch, you know, years and years down the road. It's going to be pretty cool that they'll be able to watch all the stuff I did. So that's why I do it, folks. It's all for the kids, baby, and I love it. We hustling. Got my drops made at the post office. Post office here closes at 4 o'clock, so that kind of pushes my shipping schedule up an hour, but that's okay. I can do it. Right now I'm fixing to go meet my dad at Lowe's. I'm going to buy some giant white panel board to use as a whiteboard to write down all my goals and keep up with inventory and all that. I'm going to put it on my wall. It's going to be huge. Also, I'm going to buy some extra whiteboard, and I'm going to cover the room my little girl's in. I'm going to cover the walls with the whiteboard because she loves to draw, and I thought that'd be pretty cool that she could draw all over the walls and write whatever she wanted to on there. So that's what we doing now. We non-stop. Got the whole afternoon lined up. Gonna be busy. Alright, we working, we got the whiteboard up. She's ready to draw all over the walls. Do you hear me? What do you think, sis?
I like it.
It's good? Huh? Alright. We got one project down, finished, but we never stop. On to the next project. We out here fixing to get this air conditioner cleaned up and get this baby installed, baby. Let's go. Hooked up. Team Cermak, what's up, man?
Team Cermak.
We getting them hooked up.
Getting them hooked up.
That's what's up. I come out of retirement, baby. Come out of retirement to come over here. We hooking Nick up, baby.
Hooking it up. Bye-bye.
Got her cleaned up. Nick's wife, Mizzle, cooked some food for us. We grubbed out. We gone. I don't do AC work, so don't call me for no AC work.
Yummy in the tummy, baby.
Ooh, it was good, too.
Later.
Stay tuned. All right, brother, we'll see you. All right, look here. Team Cermak.
Get that done.
Helping people all over the place, ain't we? We help Nick out. We got the kids straight away.
Yeah.
Do good things, and good things happen.
Yeah.
Do you hear me?